I'm here at my new listing at 12125 Irwin Way. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath house just under 600 square feet with an extra loft, in-unit laundry, and parking for 3. Today in this video, I'm going to take you by 3 highlight destinations close by the house. Here close by is Camp Joy Gardens, an incredible piece of property in Boulder Creek where they run educational classes on sustainable gardening and farming techniques, annual events, and a farm stand. And just up the road, you have Junction Park, which is behind me, where you have the confluence of 2 rivers here in Boulder Creek, where there's swimming holes and plenty of space to spread out. And a short distance away, we have downtown Boulder Creek, one of the main hubs of the San Lorenzo Valley. You've got shops, restaurants, and plenty of local businesses. For more information or a private tour of 12125 Irwin Way in Boulder Creek, give me a call at 831-471-7330. And hit that like button if you like this type of content, and tell me in the comments what your favorite part of Boulder Creek is. I'll see you on the other side.